Hey guys, just want to spend a couple of minutes doing a little upgrade that I've done on my Harbor Freight US General bicycle tool cart. This is one of their mechanics carts. This is the 5-drawer cart, and these things are fantastic. They're typically, you wait for them on sale. They're usually a couple $100, but we'll do a separate review of that. But the thing I wanted to talk about today is the way I organize my hex wrenches. And anybody who does their own bike repairs, and heck, even if you work in a bike shop, you know how hard it is to keep all your hex wrenches sort of organized. They inevitably get all jumbled up, and no matter what you do, with all the best intentions in the world, they just end up all over the place. Well, the solution is actually super simple. And it's these neodymium magnets, which of course I will link below on Amazon. They are fantastic. They're super strong. They're not glued on the cart anyway. The top of this tool cart is steel, so of course they're magnetic. So magnets and steel seem to like each other. But what I do is I've got 4 different hexes that I use for my most popular sizes. They start at 8mm. Most of the time you're using those for pedals. The right side is 2.5mm, some 3 in the middle, 3, 4, and 5 are the most popular. But I use 4 different types of things for my hex wrenches. And I just use the standard Park tool, which everybody knows about. These things are great. Also Vera, which is a German company, and kind of expensive, but they're really nice. If you've got to get into a little bit of a tighter area, they're terrific. Then just a smaller version of the Vera. The other thing I use is, it's nice just to, just have a little ratchet, and this is a reversible little Husky Ratchet. It's like 15 bucks at Home Depot. And again, I'll give you a link to this, but this I love a good quality ratcheting screwdriver. Most of them stink. This one's been great. I've got 3 of them. I've probably had them for 3 or 4 years, and I'm a homeowner. I'm not, using these things for major construction, but they work great. And as you can see, that's the last of the 4 different ones I use to keep them nice and organized. So, for the 3-ways, I've got a couple of, different sizes on the 3-ways. Torx as well. Again, part of Park tool. Super easy. You just put one up there and try to do it the long way. But that's just a quick little peek at one of the things I've done that really made my bike repairs a lot easier and keeping my tools a lot more organized. For when you're doing them, it's nice to know that, oh, darn it, that's a 3mm, not a 4mm, and you know right where to go for them. So anyway, I'll put links below for all the different things on here, and I hope this is something you can find some use for.